Hey, it's E-Dub running the Video Magic and John Gardner here for your under 60-second tech tip. Perhaps you got an engine problem, mechanical integrity. You can take a vacuum gauge reading. I got it hooked up to a source right here of intake vacuum. What are we looking at? 15, anywhere to about 25 inches of mercury. That's good, holding steady. What if it was flicking? That would be a valve problem. What if it was steady and low? That would be an intake leak. You can also check exhaust back pressure. Man, I'm gonna come over here, I'm gonna nail it. When I nail it, I'm looking at the gauge. If it goes down to 0 steadily, you got an exhaust problem. This one sounds like it's flowing pretty good. What are you doing?
I've been here the whole time. This one's definitely not clogged.